Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to express the vectors through A and B in both component form and standard unit form. And we're going to graph this vector and one corresponding equivalent vector. Now, we could have either AB or BA. I didn't really specify in my wording. So I'm just going to say, let's go with vector BA. This is the one we're going to do in this video. I suggest you figure out how to do vector AB on your own. So in component form, we want vector BA is going to be the endpoint of the x, so that's -2 minus 3, comma, 0 minus 7, comma, 5 minus 1. So there's BA. So this is -5, -7, and -4. Now in standard unit form, BA is equal to -5i minus 7j minus 4k. Now let's go ahead and graph this vector. And to graph this vector, I'm going to use technology on my phone. So the technology I'm using is GeoGebra 3D graphics view. As you can see, I have the graphics view open. Let me shift it around so it looks like our normal view of x pointing to the bottom left, y pointing to the bottom right, and z pointing upward. And let's start by inputting our first point, so open parentheses, -2, comma 5, comma, not comma 5, comma 0, comma 5. There's point A, which we can't see, but we'll take care of that in a second. Our second point, open parentheses, and then we type in 3, comma 7, comma 1. There we are, there's our second point. And then I'm going to tap my image to get rid of that. So notice I was on the input, I just tapped on the graph there. And tap on Tools, tap on More, and then go down, 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 down. Keep going till I find Others, Move Graphics tool. And this lets me move, and I'm going to pinch to zoom out. There we are. And then I can rotate the 3D view by switching to the Rotate tool. And my thumb is just on my screen, or not my thumb, my index finger, and I'm rotating around. Okay, so now I'm going to look through these tools and go ahead and sketch my vector tool, or sketch the vector with the vector tool, and that's up here under lines and polygons. And we want BA, so we start at B and go to A. And then you tap on Algebra View, and there you can see it confirms our work. And then let's go ahead and just switch to the Rotate tool so we can see this a bit better. There we are, rotating the 3D graphics view to see this from different angles. So if you're in my class, I am going to expect you to sketch a lot by hand, but I will be reasonable, and certain things I will suggest you use technology to sketch. So just make sure you read the directions. And see, there we are. There is a sketch of our vector in 3 dimensions using technology. And then real fast before I go, on GeoGebra 3D, there's this AR view. And you can put your vector on a surface. There we are. Surface detected. Let's place it. So there it is. It's on my tabletop. Anyways, this is just a little silly thing to play around with if you're interested in. And then look, you can move around it and look at it from different perspectives as if it were sitting right on your table. All right, keep calm and math on.